Good morning, folks. Back out here again on Lake Wateree. Got my buddy Ryan Coker from Flea Bite Creek Outdoors. Any jigs, crappy heads, anything? Ryan's your man. You got any websites you can look them up on?
We're working on our website right now, revamping it, but we still have our old one up. It's www.fleabitecreekoutdoors.com. You can find all of our stuff on there. We're offering Cincos and eye crawl molds now. So
yes, he brought me a whole stack of. Y'all see, folks, a whole stack of jigs for us to take out and try here very shortly when this water cools down just a little bit more. We'll be definitely out making videos trying out all of these.
Oh yeah. I've done a little research and development myself with them. Those are some of my newer colors, so we're gonna get them out here and test them out here on Lake Wateree. We usually have pretty outstanding results, so
yeah, we usually put a few in the boat. But y'all stay tuned with us. We'll see if we can put some cats in the boat. Hopefully everything works good. The weather's good. Nice sunny day. Very little wind, so hopefully everything will work out.
It's about, what, 60 degrees right about now? So
yeah. A lot warmer than what it was first thing this morning.
No, it was in the lower 50s, that's for sure.
So y'all
a nice cold front come through.
Yeah, y'all hang out with us, man. We'll see if we can get some in here. Oh, there we go. Ryan.
Oh, shit.
Come on, Ryan.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Right there. All right, folks. First one on for the morning.
Man, I didn't even. I heard it.
Ryan up front, pedaling around with Little Rye.
Yeah, that's a decent one too. It's dragging out. I'm gonna take the drag.
Get this thing out of here. Get the net out.
Just in case.
That, people, is on shad.
Yeah, it is.
That's the shad, yeah.
That is the shad.
That's the shad this morning.
Yep. That feels decent.
He's taking his time.
Oh yeah, that's for sure. Definitely not coming up anytime soon. There's the fight.
You think you saw the bottom of the boat finally?
Ooh, yeah. That's a decent one.
Oh, nice first fish again.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. There we go.
Alright, decent first fish.
Yes, sir.
All of probably about 8 pound, 9 pound.
Ain't had the rods in the water, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, hit that.
Get him on out of here. Where you at?
Chunked it.
All right. There you go, sir.
Yes, sir.
Show it off to the folks.
Fish number 1 in the boat.
Not bad first fish.
Nice burp. If y'all heard that when he burped. Oh yeah, you bleeding too. Nice and good. Alright.
Back in the water to get bigger.
Okay. Sounds good. We're not keeping none today?
Nah, I didn't bring the cooler.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I didn't bring the cooler.
Oh shit, I didn't know that. I'd have brought one.
That's all right. Stop by the house on the way home. Get you plenty.
Yeah. We just finished the fish today.
Way to do it. Way to do it.
Damn, I had my bucket in the back of the car.
I left the house and I was like, damn, I said, well, I didn't grab that cooler. But it will. After I got going, I was like, damn, I didn't grab that cooler. Shit.
I was gonna say, we could keep a few and put them in this bucket right here. I can put them in the bucket and clean them at the house.
Where we at? 1, 2, 3. Ow! I got stuff in the fire. That was pretty good right there. There it is. Get him. Plain. There we go. Back on.
Yeah.
Me and Ryan had a little stalemate there about who was going to grab what.
Yeah. You gonna get it?
No, you gonna get it? All right, go, man. I mean,
we're both right here. Well, shit, we'll just stare at it for a second. That'll work. This is a small one.
That's what it feels. That's
It
what it
ain't
hit and
even
it stopped.
fighting.
It hit and then it stopped. It hit and stopped. I'm like, all right, what is it?
Ah.
Now you
Now it's fine.
Now he wants to play. All right. Hey, he ain't
He's
that big.
small.
He's small. Bring them right on.
Man, big bait for a little fish.
All right, folks.
Almost right through the eyeball.
We got number 2 over there, I think. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Yeah, there's one on it. Get that one.
Yeah.
Get that planer. Get that planer. There's one. Watch out.
Oh, wrong planer.
Wrong planer. Yeah, there's one on that one. There you go, folks. Number 2 for the day.
Number
and-
3.
Yeah, got this
No,
number.
number 3 is on.
Yeah, number 3 is on. And he looked like a good one. He's carrying it across the world.
He feels good.
Yeah, he's coming. He's coming with it. He's coming across this side. Damn, he don't want to cross everybody. All right.
Oh, that one's got some weight to it.
Yeah, there we go. Work him out, Ryan.
And,
Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, he.
yeah, he just
Yeah, you
he
ain't
just sitting there.
Yeah,
for
you
a
ain't
second.
buzzing him too much.
No.
That's awesome. Well, we definitely think we need a net for this one.
No doubt. This
Yeah,
is
he's
peeling
out there.
dry.
Look at him. Yeah.
Just gonna take my time. I know this hook ain't going nowhere. Ain't no need to rush.
Come on.
Oh yeah, that's a decent one.
I thought he was bigger than that for where he was fighting.
I'm not gonna lie, I thought
Well, he was taking. Hey, some of them won for you, man.
still decent.
Oh yeah, we'll take him. Come on, Big Daddy. Oh, he bad. He good. Not bad.
Got another 10 pounds.
Number 3.
Number 3. Boy,
Right in, shoot, barrel right in the corner now.
yeah, shoot. Come right off.
All right, calm down, Spoon.
Number. Hey, calm down. Number 3. Number 2. Number 2 really didn't count. He's too small.
Nah, he can't fish.
Yeah.
That was on a perch fillet. Number 2 was on the chicken.
Off he goes.
Get these rods back out. Great. Oh. Right.
On the perch fillet. Whee. That was a nice one. That one went all the way to China.
Yeah, he went to town with that.
Uh-huh.
But when he started cutting back across, I thought, that's a good one.
Yeah. Another 10 pounder.
The thing about these bigger fillets, you just chunk off that end, they just mangled up. Pop it in. Well, we still 22 foot of water. We ain't even hit the channel yet.
Tell me about it.
There's still 22 foot of water. We done hit every bait we can got out so far. So. Yeah.
Yeah, they actually have. You're right.
They've hit every bait.
That makes all 3.
Yep, that's all three. All 3 baits we got one. So we got here.
The chicken's still on there good too.
We got here. Look like I just put it on.
I know.
Oh, cool. All right.
Whew.
So that woke us up.
Yeah.
That little dull period going on there, but
Just a little silence there for a second.
like we get them back to back. Like.
And kick out.
ones are.
And damn gar's following us,
I
I
know.
swear.
You got the stuff in here, man. I should take the middle rod and just put one in that big bobber I got in there. Change the hook, change
Yeah.
the leader, put one in shad on it, just have it back there, just
Yep.
keep the drag like dead drag, nothing. So he can just run with it because that's what you want to do, and just run with it.
That looks good.
All right.
Back to it.
Yes, sir.
Back to the waiting game.
3 in the boat. We haven't even hit the channel yet. Shoot.
The water seems to be doing pretty good.
You sit at work and you got time on your hands, you know, and you got your lake. Always go look at the depth chart, pull up the depth chart for your lake, just study it. You see things on there that you just can't, see you fishing. They can get out here and just that's where I was looking this area. I said, man, this looked just like what I was catching on last week. So I'm just gonna try it out. And so far, that's 3 fish. In what? Can't tell. About 30 minutes.
Yeah, about 30 minutes. That's about one fish every 10 minutes.
I'll take those odds.
Yeah.
Wait for something to crash that one.
Oh, I know. I can't. It's going to break the damn rod. Guys, you missed it. I'm off camera for a second. I'll come back on camera. I wasn't. Last time I went out with Kevin, I think it was, he's been out twice since
2 or 3
then.
times since then, yeah.
2 or 3 times since then, but we had storms building on the other side of the lake, on the upper side of the lake, and we were trying to beat them, but we weren't quite satisfied with the number of fish we had. We were like, well, if we catch 2 more, we'll be all right. Well, we winded up catching 1 before we caught our last 2, but that one, it weighed, when we got to the house, it weighed 20 pounds, and when it hit, it broke the rod holder immediately. And the only thing that saved us was the planer board floating as we watched it skip across the lake.
Yep. So
That was a fun fiasco because we were like, oh, the trolling motor will catch it. Well,
No.
we quickly found out that it wasn't going to catch it, and we had to pick everything up really fast and get the big motor on. But that was a fun day.
Okay, big fish for the day.
That was a fight too, bro.
Yeah.
Because when I picked up the rod, we thought he was off because it was just nothing there. And as I cranked it down, he just, it was like a log, not moving. But thank God for the planer board, because if we didn't have it, we wouldn't have had that fish.
Nope.
We'd have lost the whole
Would
setup.
have lost a rod, everything.
Everything. The whole 9 yards.
Yeah, we have lost everything. Heck yeah. That's why I don't mind Ryan calling about. Ryan always seems to be good luck for some reason.
You know.
Every time it's like I think it's like one time we didn't catch anything. That one time we went crappie fishing, we caught like one crappie.
Yeah, we caught like 1 crappie.
But we made up for it on the next trip.
Oh yeah, we
Good
did.
God.
Well, the next trip we couldn't even keep the lines in the water, and
No.
those were all on my baits
Yep.
that we
all
made.
Ryan's bait.
The jig heads included. It's a nice little underspin jig head, and some of my older colors that I started with. But Kevin takes me out fishing. You know, he's a guide, but he's not
Official guy.
a official guide. You know, it's my access to the lake because my boat needs a lot of work. So I own a company. I make my own baits and stuff. So we just do a lot of R&D. So I make him baits, and you know, it works out. Yin yang.
Here comes the channel there.
Yeah, and an osprey,
Make the turn.
a hungry osprey.
Make the turn.
No, the damn planer board took a dive.
Oh, I took a dive on it.
Fish.
Shit, that one ain't had a big one.
Yeah. You want to leave that on, right?
is a swimming to the boat.
Grab.
Yeah, I felt it bump that time.
Man, we've been dragging a fish the whole damn time, Kev.
Nah, that's a decent fish too. No, he got big.
I wonder how long we've been dragging that
I don't
motherfucker
know.
along, man.
He's a pretty decent fish. He's been swimming along with the bait.
Didn't even see it hit.
No. Look, he got that thing swallowed too. What the heck?
You're talking about complaining about ain't catching no fish. We've been pulling one along for about 35 minutes. Who knows?
Good God.
Swallow it.
Well, dang, folks, we ended up pulling everything in. We was obviously dragging him along.
Dragging him along for a good while, too. Mind if we keep this one?
Huh?
Mind if we keep this one?
Oh, we'll catch some more, dude.
Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna keep one on. It's big. Yeah, right. Is that the shell?
Yeah, that's perfect.
It's right there.
My chain out.
See the hook though.
Trying to see what we do with it. God forbid, dude. You tried to swallow this bad boy. He ain't coming out.
Might as well cut it.
Yeah. Cut this one. Oh, he's keeping that hook. I just put a new one on real fast.
Right here. It's like a walking bee.
All right, folks. Well, we were dragging him.
They were dragging him. Going back in.
That's a fish. There we go. There's some sitting down here. I marked him. Oh, sitting down there. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, he's bumping down there. There's like a couple of them, several of them down there. Yeah, he feels like a decent one. He ain't that big. He fought like a champ. He fought like a champ. Hey, settle down. All right. Finally, folks, after moving to like 3 different spots,
We got it all. We got one.
we got one.
Woo.
Time to get the boat back in order since this other boat want to wake the heck out of you, bud. Yeah, woo!
Hope you have your sea legs.
You ain't kidding. Goodness gracious. Coming up on that point.
That decent.
Huh? not a bad one.
No.
I'll take it. My goodness. We've been how long without a fish?
2 hours at least.
Yeah. So,
Huh.
we'll take him. And that was on the perch.
Yeah, sure was.
Coming up on this point. That's what I called him last time. Coming across this point. Turning the boat out because I can't. All right, folks, we're gonna get off the lake. Ryan's gotta go pick up his son, getting sick at daycare. Had a cold front go through last night. Fishing's been slow, but as y'all seen. But stay tuned. We'll get another episode out to y'all next week. Hopefully some hunting videos coming out because deer season's starting right now. So just hit, if you like what you see, subscribe, comment, any questions, and I'll get back with you. Until then, hope you enjoyed. See you next time.
See you guys.